Okay, let's get started. So today I'm going to create this another tutorial, which is going to create the electric plug here. So this one is actually from the real model, which is I'm already create a sketch in the using my freehand sketches. If you guys want to see how I create this sketch from the real model and then measure it using the caliper. So you guys can check my previous video in the link here. Okay. Okay. Now let's get started from the beginning. How I create this electrical plug. Okay. Okay. Create a new design. Okay, and then let's bring up the sketches, which is I'm using the canvas to bring up my sketches, which I already created here. Yeah, this one. Okay. So I'm going to put it at the top plane here. Okay, let's see, zoom in a little bit, and then I'm going to rotate it. Okay, minus 90 degrees. Okay, and then I'll click OK for a while, and then I'm going to calibrate this using right click there. Going to calibrate. So let's see. For example, here to here would be 50 millimeter. Okay, like so. 50 millimeter, and then I'm going to adjust the position a little bit. So let me bring up the origin. Oh, that one is the origin. So I'm going to put this origin somewhere around here. Okay. Okay. Yeah, roughly is from that position. Okay. So from here, I can create my sketch, which is at the top view here. And then I will create my line here. Okay, probably from here. Okay, so this one will be my construction line. Okay, I change it to construction line, and then I will continue to the line here, and then I just overlay to my sketches here. So basically just like so. Okay, and then I can do the mirroring for this particular object, and then this one is the mirror line. Okay, like so. Okay, and then I will create my dimension. This is for the width. Okay, like so, and then from here to here will be 34. Okay, like so, 34, and then from here, so this one will be 50. Okay, 50, and then what else? Okay, so this one will be 20.2. So from this point to this point, so will be 20.2. Okay, 20.2. And then the diameter here and here will be 12.5. Okay, like so, 12.5. And then this one will be 17. Okay, this one 17. Okay, and then this one will be 11. Okay, 11, like so. And also, let me see. So this one is actually 24. Okay, from here to here will be 24. Okay, like so. Yeah, I think it's all already fully constrained. As you can see, the line will turn into the black. Okay, so it's indicate it's fully constrained. Okay, so but in here I'm going to create another line to separate the this one actually a circle, the cylinder shape. So here as well, no, I don't need. So I just did this line to separate my sketches into two area. Okay. So from here, I'm going to extrude. Let me see here, 15. Okay. 14. Okay, 14. So here, I'm going to extrude using the symmetric, and then the whole line will be 14. Okay, like so. Okay, 14. And then after that, I'm going to create another plane from here, from the midpoint here. Okay, so I'm added the intersection plane in this boundary here. Okay, so when you slice, it will be showing you that I'm going to create the sketches over here. Okay, so I'm going to add another line. Wait, let me see the sketch. So basically, the sketch will be they will create this little angle here. Okay, so I'm going to project. Sorry, I'm going to project this uh, point here as my reference. Okay, and then as well as my point here as a reference. Okay, I will slice it up. Okay, and then like here and then here. Okay, okay, that's it. So how much the dimension is 12, and then this one 22.5. Okay, okay, 22.5. So because from here to here will be 12 divided by 2. Okay, and then from here to here will be 22.5. Okay, and then what else? Let me see the sketch. Okay, already constrained. So I will going to add another construction line here. Okay, because this one I'm going to mirror it to the other side. Mirror plane will be this one. Okay. Okay, so I will have two type of the sketch. Okay. So in this particular sketch, I'm going to select the face, the profile. Okay. So how to select that? You just hover your mouse here and then you hold your left click mouse and then you select the profile. Here as well, left, and then select the profile. And then I'm going to do the symmetric and will be the all. Okay. So they will cut like so. Okay. Okay. So the basic shape of the body is almost done, except uh, from here. Okay. So in here, I'm going and create another sketch here. Okay, and then create the 12.5 diameter cylinder. Okay, 12.5. Then I'm going to extrude, continue to the extrusion from this particular cylinder, the circle, and then how much the length. So we can use the, because this line will be 50 minus 34. So in Fusion, we also can do the math, simple math like this. So 50 minus 34, okay, as my reference length. Okay. Okay, so other than I'm going to flip to the right side here and create this sketch, okay, this particular position, and then I'm going to project my sketch to here, okay. Then I'm going to add another shape here. Then you can use left click and then drag it to do the shape like this, okay. And then this center point will be aligned to vertically to this center point. So make sure this one is at the center, and then how much the height? The height will be 25.2. Okay, so I'm going to create this line here from this line, bottom line to this here, but as you can see here, it's indicated at the center. So I don't want to give the measurement from the center. Instead of the center, I will use, uh, let me repeat it again here. And then when you want to pick at the tangent, you just right click here and then you pick the arc tangent. Then you click that one, okay, okay, and then put it over there, okay, 25.2, 25.2. Okay, and then this one will be, so when you see the sketch here, there is a slightly mistake, which is this one is intentionally, I created this mistake when when I measure using the caliper, okay. So actually this one should be 11.1 instead of 6 as previously before, okay. And then this one also has the new dimension, okay, 4 millimeter from the bottom, and then this one as well as the intentionally mistake. This one should be 17.5 instead of 12.5. Okay, so that here will be 11.1. Okay, let me measure from here to here. Okay, 11.1. Okay, so because this one is not symmetric position. So when I create the equal length, they will be automatically symmetric. Okay, and then as well as the radius here. So because this radius is not yet defined, so I just define the diameter is 4.7. Okay, it's okay. So I'm going to also to create the sketch for the metal electrical plug here. Okay, like so. And then I'm going to create the same line. This one and this one will be the same line. This one and this one the same line. This one will be the same collinear. So the position. Okay, and then I'm going to create another line from here to here as my construction line. So I pick here and then change to the construction. And then from here to here, actually, wait, let me see this one. Oh, this one is 11.1. Okay, so this one basically, so 11.1 is the dimension here in between of the metal conductor, and for the bulk here is actually 13.6. Okay, so I have a slightly mistake here, sorry. So this one will be 11.1. Okay, okay, 11.1. This one should be 13.6. Okay, like so. And then because I want to put it in the center, so I need to create the measurement from here. So this one will be the reference of 11.1 and divided by 2. Okay, so they will put at the center. And then as I mentioned here to here will be 4 millimeter. Okay. Okay, actually this radius is not yet defined, but I'm going to create another circle here, which is 4.7 is the diameter. Okay, so I'm going to align this with the center here, and then I'm going to look for the position here, 17.5. Okay, 17.5 from bottom, sorry, from the bottom, here to once again using the tangent to here. Okay, 17.5. Okay, okay, or 17.5. This one is 4.7. Okay, okay, and then the height and the width is 1.5 over 6.3. So this one will be 6.3, and then here will be 1.5. Okay, okay, and then I will pick randomly here for the radius, probably 3.5 radius. Okay, yeah, I will finish it first, the sketch, and then I'm going to create this line here to connect from the particular bulk here. Let me extrude it first, this one and this one. Extrude to the corner here. So I will be to the object here. Let me put the distance. Okay, from here, 11. I'll hit OK. And then create another plane to connect this line from here to here. So I will use the intersects again. Let me use the construction to all the body. Okay, so I can connect this line to this one. Okay, and then when I use the sweep command for this particular profile with this path, okay, and then I'm going to create a join. Okay, like so. Okay, so almost done, and then we continue to the metal part, which is sketch 4, and then how much the length would be 21.1, and then this one is 17. Going to extrude this one first. Okay, 17, and then add this particular 21, sorry, 21.1. Okay, and then add another fillet, 2.5. Cannot, probably 2 point, yeah, I think 2 is okay lah. Okay, and then here as well. But prior to create a fillet here, I'm going to create this hole, which is 4 millimeter using 3. So I'm going to use the circle hole here. The diameter will be 4 millimeter, and then from this edge will be 4 millimeter, and then from the other edge, okay, will be so actually I also can use the measure here, so I can hit measure, and then I can measure this length, okay, 6.3, and then divide it by 2, so it's at the center. Okay, Let me use the all to create the hole at the all to create the two hole here simultaneously. So this one added the fillet. Okay, yeah, like so 2.5 probably. Yeah, 2.5 is okay. Okay, so the rest will be this particular grooving here. Okay, so the groove, I'm going to create this groove using this plane here. So it's 2.5. This one is 2.5 over 2. Okay, this one 1.7. So I'm going to create the sketch here. Okay, and then I'm going to offset this. How much the cable? 7. Okay, let me use the circle here. 7 diameter. Okay, and then create a line. Let me project it first. Project the outer circle, and then create a line from here to here. Okay, this one also from here to here. And then I will use the collinear. This one stay collinear with this one. And then give the measurement from here to here. 1.7 over 2. Okay. Yeah, I think it's enough for this particular sketch. Okay. Then I'm going to extrude. Uh, I'm going to do the offset from here. The distance will be 2, and then the offset will be minus 2.5. Okay. No, actually not 2. This one should be minus 2 because the direction is over here. Okay. Like so. Then doing the cut. Okay. And then I'm going to use the rectangular pattern on this feature, this extrusion. And then the direction will be, I'm going to use the my axis here. Okay, like so. So the distance will be spacing 4.5 because this one is 2.5 and this is 2, so we added 2.5. Okay, so using 3 as the number of quantity. Okay, like this. And then I'm also want to mirror it. This one is the feature, this feature and this feature. The mirror plane will be this plane. Okay, okay, almost done. Then let me open up my sketch here and extrude this one as the cable. So let's say 16 as the cable. Okay, so we're almost done, and then this one we really need the fillet for this particular body here. So I'm going to create the from this fillet first. Okay, and also as the bottom one I will use 2. Yeah, probably 1.5 is enough. Okay, and then add another one probably here. Okay, let me choose this one first. Okay, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and this one. So total, oh, 3 is too much. So 1 would be enough. Okay, and then fillet for this one. Okay, one will be good. Okay, and then do another fillet here. This one, this one. Okay, so they cannot use one as this particular fillet. Okay, so there's a slightly error here. So probably we need to create another fillet from here first. Okay, this one using 1.5. So here will be one. Okay, yeah, I think one is okay. And then add another more at the bottom one. Kind of, you need to keep the continuity. So when you do the fillet over there, you need to create the continuity in between this fillet. So that's why this one we need a little bit of fillet up there. Okay, see, and then here as well. Okay, okay, and then add this one as a bigger fillet. I think 1.5 is okay. Okay, and also for this particular grooving, so I can use the roll fillet, which is they will select the feature. So I'm going to select this one, and this one. Okay, 0.5. Okay, like so. So when you select the rule fillet, and then you just select the feature, which is you are going to create a round and fillet, they will automatically do the job simultaneously. So it's easier, a lot easier for us to create. Okay. Okay. So now it's already done. Okay, already done. But as you can see here, when you see the material will be, let's say if this one is from the metal, so right now it's all the whole body. So you can also create this one as the separate body. Let me find it first. This one, right click and edit picture. So I'm going to create this to be a new body. Okay. Okay. So this one the whole body and this one is the new body. And also the yeah this one as well as a new body. Okay. New body one. Okay, one will be the uh, rubber one. This one is the metal. This one also metal. This one also metal. So, but when you see the particular hole here, because this one we change at the body, so we need to redefine the hole which object will cut through. If you uncheck the body number 4, so because this one right now is a new body, so you need to define which one is the object to be cut. Okay, just select the object to be cut, and then they will recalculate. Okay, okay, okay. So you can add an appearance as you like. So when you create an appearance, so let me use the probably paint or plastic. So let me look through the plastic. Okay, this one have a skin. I don't know skin is like that, or this one is the regular. So when you click and drag, oh, there is a bump over there, over the skin. Oh, this one is the skin. No, I don't want to use that skin. I just use the ordinary plastic. Um, Probably I'm going to use this gray. Yeah, okay, the gray. And then for the metal, you can select the metal. Let me use this metal. So gold plated, yeah, like that. Gold plated here as well. Okay, but I don't like the color over there. So let me choose another color, or I just double click this one and then change the color from here as well. Is also work. Okay, like, yeah, probably like here, like so. Okay, so how about the texture? Maybe from this site here, you can also create the text. So when you create a new sketch from this particular plane, and then you choose the text here. Okay, is too big, so let me use 120 volt. Okay, minus 90 degrees. Sorry, 90 degrees. And then the tech height will be 2 on 4. Yeah, okay, I think 4 is okay. Okay, so probably will be enough. Let me make us let me slightly over. Okay, so you also can create a dimension from this particular text here. Okay, like 4.5. Okay, and then you just create the emboss here for the text. Sketch profile will be this sketch, and then the face will be this face. Okay, so the height will be 0.7. Okay, like so. Yeah, you just adjust the height accordingly. Okay, okay, so this one you can easily jump to the rendering if you like, and then see how the rendering will change the appearance of this particular socket, like so. And then of course this rendering will cost you the processing time of your computer, and depends on your how fast your machine, they will create this render quick enough or slow. Okay, okay, I think from this point the tutorial will end. We come to the end, and then please give a thumb if you like this video, and then also you can, if you want to add something, you can just type your comment, or you can ask uh, through the uh, comment line at the channel. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.